Alright guys, welcome back. After that little guy flew off the table, and I did find him. After messing around for quite a while, pretty weird. This circuit board is hard to solder on, even though I'm not a professional solderer. It was very difficult and very tedious to get that little thing to stand up exactly where we needed it, so that when you put the remote back down on there and snap it all together, it was very difficult to get that little guy to go, but the remote does work now. Just had that thing hit. So, worth it? I think so. No 69. But yeah, so new remote was like $10–12. I went to the local store, got myself a little electric soldering kit, and ripped the remote apart. Now we'll have this little hole in the end right here, but not perfect, but it works, and probably work the rest of the time of the machine, as long as I be careful with the batteries. Hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, subscribe. How to fix your LG ThinQ remote. Now I can hook my phone up to it, so when you die next time, you don't have a chance. Then I can control my phone. Always remember, check out the LG and the ThinQ app on your phone. You can connect to all your LG appliances and control them. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you back here later. Spring break, 4 more days.